Canceling pending Metamask transactions is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, you can try in-app cancellation if possible. So, open the Metamask extension or application. Then locate the pending transaction in your list. If a cancel button is available next to the transaction, click on it. Next, speed up and replace the transaction. This method forces the network to prioritize your new transaction, essentially canceling the original one. It's riskier and requires more gas fees, so only use it if necessary. To do it, open Metamask and find the pending transaction. Click on the speed up button next to it. Increase the gas fee significantly, for example 2x or 3x the original. Send a new transaction to the same address as the pending one, but with the desired amount or recipient. Next, modify transaction nonce. This method directly interacts with the blockchain and requires advanced knowledge. It involves broadcasting a new transaction with the same nonce, which means the unique identifier as the pending one, effectively overriding it. Here's a crucial disclaimer. Modifying the nonce is complex and carries significant risks. Only attempt this if you fully understand the process and potential consequences. Mistakes during this method could lead to permanent loss of funds.